late yet.
Yeah, it's not too late. Let's come here.
Yeah.
Hi everyone. Now we are at the Thomas Park.
Thomas Memorial Park.
Yes, and this park it seems like for the dogs.
It's an urban park. You see lots of buildings. People come here to enjoy. Today is sunny day.
Yeah,
It's interesting, isn't it?
yeah,
And here we don't have sun most of the day. So today is good day.
yeah.
Look at the dogs. This area only for small dogs.
Yeah, I think so.
They have like 2 or 3 areas. This
Yeah,
area for small dogs.
yeah,
As you go further along, the bigger the size of the dog.
yeah.
So
Yes.
I like this.
So many areas for dog. They just unleash them. Like if you have a small size dogs, you can go to the area for the small size dogs.
Because you don't want to put your small dog with the big dog, they may bite.
Yeah. So the government here they really think about it.
Yes, the quality of life of the people who live it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like particularly there are many trees, and in full spring or summer it's gonna be more beautiful as these trees gonna have lots of leaves, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So now it's just a beginning of spring,
Yeah.
like
Early spring.
yeah, early spring. So we can see
Step aside. We call bulbs.
yeah.
Yeah, they will turn into flowers.
ចឹងអាប្លុកនេះគឺសម្រាប់ឆ្កែទូចៗតាមខ្ញុំដឹងណាប្រភេទកូនឆ្កែទូចគេឲ្យនៅនេះសំបីតាឆ្កែគេក៏គេមានសួនសម្រាប់ឆ្កែគេដែរនេះផ្លាកតែនេះផ្លាកគេដាក់សម្រាប់ឆ្កែទូចនេះ
ហ្នឹងហើយសម្រាប់ឆ្កែទូច អានេះកន្លែងលេខ5សម្រាប់ឆ្កែទូចទូចហ្នឹងហើយអូយមួយនោះដូចចកចឹងនោះឆ្កែមួយនោះអាមួយបសនោះ
តិចនេះឆ្កែធំខាងនេះ
spend your time over there. If you want a bit quiet, you walk to the edge of the
Yeah,
park.
I think here is the best place for people who rest dogs
Exactly.
and walk their dogs here because mostly people come here to walk their dog and yeah we have a playground here for kids. Yeah. Oh, I feel a little bit cold.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
It's bright today. It's
Yeah.
very bright
Why you take off the sunglasses?
because I feel it's dark. I want to see things clearer. Yeah, it have attacked my eyes, but it also makes everything looks a bit dimmer. So
Okay, so now let's see these dog areas again from very wide angle. So many areas. Oh, we have another way over there. Down there, it's not yet the age.
no, it's not. It's forever.
Are you sure?
This part is thin.
Oh, they have the bridge over there.
I saw already. I checked them out.
Oh,
Yeah, before I came here. It's a very long park linked to other parks.
mhm.
You know, it's connected to other parks, not just this one.
Oh,
So if I expect to walk, don't expect to come back.
it's huge. There,
Yeah.
people can also picnics over there. I can see smoke.
Yeah, I feel good about this park.
Oh, this is like open space. Over there, a lot of trees. And here.
And it's near our house.
Really?
Yeah.
How far?
It's near. You remember Scarborough Hospital?
And this is resting area.
You know, right? Scarborough Hospital.
Oh yeah.
Where you was hospitalized.
Yeah. It's
Just
it's
like
close
what?
to Scarborough
Like
Hospital.
half kilometer from there. So
Oh, this is also another bridge over there.
yeah,
That's huge.
I'm feeling good about this park. So we should like often come here.
Yeah.
As I said, I like the fact that it's not so isolated from the city. It's feel like in the city. That's what I feel like.
Area B. Oh, they have name. This is Area B, and over there,
Area C.
Area C.
Nice.
Wow. Oh, I like those ladies sit on
No, by permit
on the
only.
rock.
Yes, by permit only. In case you need to organize birthday party,
Oh
whatever.
yeah, even something.
Even something.
Oh, this is like a little forest here. When it's in summer.
Oh, I thought
No.
Mục lắng nghe.
No.
Ah,
Oh yeah.
very nice, beautiful.
Oh, we didn't park here.
No.
This is another parking lot.
As I said, it's long. It's like thin, flat, long.
What that temple? I can see.
I think it's a church.
Oh, I smell smoke. Oh, a good sunny day.
Yeah, very good. Very, very good.
We even can walk on along this creek.
Forever, many
There
kilometers.
is a creek here.
Yeah, creek. That's why I said this park has everything that you like.
They even have a life jacket. What
Yeah.
is it? Life jacket?
No, it's life-saving equipment. They have what? They have something to pull, and also the what I give balloon.
Ah, oh, people is
Look at that.
looking
There are
those two
ducks that I
dots.
can see, and one of them is
sleeping.
bending their neck. Nice, I like it. Walk further. This we call amenities. So this park has everything. Has creek, has picnic area, has dogs areas. Like they have everything. It's like full of.
If you want to walk to feel the nature in the forest,
walk over there.
you walk here.
And those who want to, nice. It's like Sunny Brook. That's for those who want to do picnicking.
I like the fact that the grass really green. Okay.
But from here not nice.
Yeah, because here I fast the sun.
Yeah, I know. So we walk further. So
Okay.
we can take you from the other side.
Good.
The other side of the bridge.
Yeah.
Small bridge. មន់យើងបន្លាហ្នឹងហើយខ្ញុំមកចឹងទៅពីរនាក់យើង
Yeah.
ហើយបាយថ្លើបាយទីជូន
Yeah.
បន្លែទៅសក់
Here.
cucumber. Yeah, just pick that
Yeah,
one.
we can choose this one.
Yeah.
And then a lot of playground
Yeah.
with the grass. We even can film here. It's
Yeah.
very green. Oh wow, beautiful.
Yeah. Beautiful. It's just beautiful. It's kind of big too without here. I don't have to like that.
Something wrong?
Give me ăn nữa nè, con đại ăn nó
Oh,
chưa.
any personal cooker? Because they have the place for cooking, right? Some picnic place they have a cooker there for you.
This way, the car is coming.
Oh.
Có đã có đa petrol rồi đấy. He's good.
You see, when spring and summer, we just see things beautiful.
Come this way.
Yeah, let's walk into the creek.
Now you see,
Oh.
they have like a bank or like a beach. Anything that you can enjoy the creek.
Let baby see the creek.
Yeah, baby,
Feel the creek.
baby,
Feel the nature.
baby trắng. Bị con trắng. Baby trắng. Enjoy the creek. See, water is flowing calmly. Baby, can you see? Water is flowing calmly. This is we call a creek.
Yeah.
Can you see that, baby Chang? Look at these trees.
Oh, it's like a small house.
Yeah, I like it. When I was young, I built a hut.
You build a hut?
Yeah, built a hut. Like a cottage, right?
Yeah.
Like that. I went deep into the woods. I just used the woods
Yeah.
to build a hut,
Yeah.
so I can stay inside.
Where was it?
In Mondial.
Oh no.
That's the same place that I often spend most of my time in my childhood. Just went there, enjoy so many things you can do there. You can like this, you know, actually like this. No, of course it's not as beautiful as this park, but like this, lots of trees, and you can go and hike. You can.
No, I want to add it. Come on. Nè đi. Prop អីដង្សាយអីរត់លេងពេញហ្នឹងនៅសួនណាយើងមើលឃើញធ្វើបាយសួនទៀតណា
Right. Right back. Mini is on the tree.